A passenger airplane flies above green mountains in Costa Rica. Soft clouds drift past the airplane window.
Wow, I can see so much from up here.
A huge rainforest stretches like a green blanket below. Palm trees line the bright coastline beside the blue ocean. The plane lands smoothly on a tropical runway. The airport looks modern and sunny, with palm trees outside.
We are here. Tom, welcome to Costa Rica.
Yes, our adventure starts now.
The sun is so bright.
I know, sweetie. Let's step slowly.
I'm smiling, but my eyes are squinting.
Tall coconut trees sway gently in the breeze. A yellow taxi waits at the curb for new travelers.
Here is our taxi. I will open the door.
Hold my hand. Tom, step in carefully.
Okay, Mommy, I'm ready.
The taxi drives away on a winding, tropical road.
Mommy, the houses are so colorful.
Yes, like a rainbow.
Big murals cover the walls with bright art and animals.
Daddy, look, that wall has a huge painting.
Great eyes, Tom.
I love your excited face.
I want to see everything.
Fruit carts roll by with mangoes and pineapples. Clothes hang outside and flutter in the warm air.
We are almost at the hotel.
Is it big? Is it fancy?
A beautiful hotel entrance appears with plants and flowers.
Wow, I see a fountain.
Let's go closer and look.
The water is sparkling.
Clear water flows over shiny stones in the fountain.
Careful, Tom. Don't lean too far.
Okay, Daddy, I will be careful.
The lobby is wide and bright with tropical decorations. Hotel staff smile warmly behind the front desk.
Hello, we have a reservation.
Welcome. Please come this way.
Daddy signs the form slowly and neatly.
Look, Tom, I have something for you.
For me,
This is a lucky charm for our guests.
it's beautiful. Thank you. I will keep it forever.
The elevator doors open with a soft sound.
Let's go up to our room.
I love elevators. The numbers are going up.
Yes, we are going higher.
The hallway is quiet with warm lights and soft shadows.
Ready. Tom, I will open the door.
Yes, open it.
Golden sunlight fills the hotel room.
Wow, it's so bright and pretty.
A colorful bed cover with patterns sits neatly on the bed. White curtains move gently in the breeze.
Can I open the balcony doors?
Yes, go ahead.
Mountains and green valleys stretch far into the distance.
The mountains look so big.
Clouds drift close to the mountain peaks.
Mommy, can I touch the clouds?
Not really, but you can reach for them.
I will open the suitcase now.
Do we have a surprise?
A teddy bear sits inside the suitcase.
Teddy, I missed you. The bed looks like a cloud.
Jump gently, okay?
You look so happy. Tom,
I feel so happy.
Traditional patterns cover the pillows in bright colors.
Mommy, what do these patterns mean?
they are made by local people.
Animal carvings decorate the wooden wall.
Daddy, look, I see birds and elephants.
Yes, those are special carvings. They tell stories about nature and animals.
I like these stories.
Let's rest a little.
Okay, I'm a bit tired.
The room becomes calm in soft afternoon light.
Wow, so many fruits.
Piano fades out gently.
Red bananas, that is funny.
Yes, they are local.
This yellow fruit looks like a dragon.
That is dragon fruit.
I will try a small bite.
Fresh juice pours into a glass with tiny bubbles.
It's sweet and cool.
I'm glad you like it.
Try this empanada, Tom.
Okay, I want one. Crunchy, I like the sound.
A small bird hops closer to the crumbs.
Hello, little bird.
That bird is brave.
Yes, he is not scared.
The family sits at an open-air table with tropical plants.
Dinner is done. I feel full.
Me too. That was yummy.
Let's go to the souvenir shop.
Yes, I want to look.
Warm evening light fills the street outside.
Mommy, look, a souvenir shop.
Let's go inside.
Shelves are full of toys and colorful gifts.
So many tiny teddy bears. I want this little toy.
Choose one special thing.
A wooden instrument rests on the shelf.
Listen, it makes a fun sound.
Let's make a rhythm together.
Okay, like music.
Colorful hats hang from the ceiling.
Daddy, I disappeared.
Where is Tom? I only see a big hat.
This poncho is warm.
And the colors look great on you.
The street glows orange at sunset. Lanterns begin to shine.
Teddy, watch me twirl.
Good job, Tom.
I can spin again.
Let's go back and rest now.
Yes, tomorrow will be a big day.
Tom falls asleep, hugging his teddy bear in the quiet room.